I'm about to make the biggest mistake in my life because I'm gonna be drilling 1000 holes onto my roof lining, which being fixed in the previous video. So stay tuned because this one is gonna be wild. Right, so in the previous video you've seen that I actually took out this roof lining, re-glue it, and it actually holds. Everything is kind of nicely intact. There's a couple of stretch marks in some places, but it's in the back, so nobody gonna ever seen it. And by saying that I'm gonna drill 1000 holes into my roof lining is because I bought a starlight kit, which is gonna be a pretty nightmare to install. I've done it on my 7 Series like 7 years ago, and now I need to remember how to do it correctly onto a Bentley. I bought this kit from Temu, and actually I would say it's pretty good deal, because if you want to buy exactly the same kit from eBay, it's about 170 pounds. But on Temu, it's 42 quid. This kit also has not only the stars, but it also has like a comet. So basically, this is a comet sight, and this is a sight for the stars. So first thing first, I need to find it out where exactly this thing is gonna sit, and then I can measure it, how long actual stars are. Well, fiber cable. Yep, I know, it's dirty again. The fiber itself, it's much longer than the actual roof lining. So where I'm thinking to put is actually going to be, so I'm thinking actually to put the module itself in here, because I got quite a lot of space. So this is behind the passenger side back seat in a corner. But the only question is it gonna actually reach that distance up to the front of it? Because both of the fiber cables are exactly same length, and I need to check how far it actually goes. Everything seems kind of okay, so it should actually reach just about to get the module in here in this corner. So I'm hoping I'm not gonna ruin this. So let's go and install it. The only thing that concerns me, I never actually drilled through the leather, so I'm not too sure how the drill itself is gonna react with leather. Is it not gonna ruin it, or is it still gonna be like a nice tiny hole? The only way to find it out, what I'm thinking to do, is actually drill it somewhere here in a corner where the panel is gonna hide, and check the hole's size, diameter, and everything else, how the leather afterwards looks around this section as well. I know that I should actually clean this properly before I'm installing the starlights, but I don't really care. I just want to install the starlights and put the roof lining back in a car, and then we can clean it up a bit. Tidy up, let's say. So let's grab our smallest drill and start drilling. So I'm using 1mm drill bit to drill all the holes, and it seems like it fits perfectly. I'm just a bit more concerned if it's actually gonna reach the drill through the middle section, because I don't really want to put 500 pieces in this section, 500 pieces in this section, and nothing in the middle. I want all the roof lining to be covered in those tiny holes. I know what you're gonna say, I'm ruining the nice roof lining on the Bentley. Probably I am, but you know what? That's gonna look so nice after it's gonna be finished, if it's gonna be done correctly. So this is the point where the things get serious, because right now I'm about to drill 1000 holes into my car's headliner, and if I mess this up, I'm replacing the entire thing. No fixing it, no covering it up, just an expensive mistake. At first, I genuinely thought this is gonna be like 2 hours job, drilling a few holes, job done, back in a car, easy. Yeah, no. Halfway through I realized that isn't happening today. So I pulled the entire headliner out of the garage and I drag it back to my house, straight into the living room where the kid's supposed to play, because obviously Daddy's stereo idea needed space to come to life. Now I'm on the floor drilling hole after hole after hole, knowing fully well that if I mess this up, it's over. The job doesn't just test the patience, it tests sanity. And there is a part that really hurts. It wasn't 2 hours job, it took 3 full days 3 days of drilling, 3 days of second guessing every single hole, 3 days of asking myself why didn't I just left it stock. So finally, after 3 days, I can actually fit it back into the car. And this is the moment of truth, because either way it works, or I just spent 3 days destroying perfectly good headliner. With the headliner finally in a position, it's time to start fitting all the bolts and nuts back in. Because if this doesn't line up, we got a serious problem. So now I'm fitting the passenger side sun visor. It's only held by 3 bolts, which sounds simple enough, but you also got to remember the light connector as well, because if you forgot that, you're pulling it out again. Next up, the center lights, 2 bolts and 2 small speakers to hide it, and just like that, it's in a place. Then next, I need to somehow squeeze the fiber cable so I can put all the trimming back, and I tell you what, it wasn't easy. After getting the cables out of the way, I can put the seatbelt trimming back as well. Then back to the rear lights, 2 bolts, 2 fake speakers, and it's tucked away. A few other bolts here and there, and finally, job is done. Right, so all the roof lining is in, everything is tightened up. I just need to put the back seat in and then connect the wire for the starlights itself, and that's pretty much gonna be it, the inside. Also, I got one idea. Welcome to the YouTube community post. You get it? Post, like post, the actual post. So what I wanted to do with this, I'm gonna drop my PayPal link down below in the description, and if you want to be on this post, I'm gonna write your name on this post. Send me over £1 or $1 or whatever, just £1. Send me over the £1 and I'm gonna write your name on this YouTube community post. That way you're gonna support my channel and the future builds, and I promise every single pound that I'm gonna receive from this YouTube community post, I'm gonna invest into my channel, like finishing up the Bentley, because to finish the Bentley, I need about another £1,500, and I'm currently selling my Jeep, so I could actually finish this one up. So, you know, this is not my full-time job. So if you want to be on this post, there's a link down below in the description. And yeah, let's get the car out and connect the electrical wire for the starlights and check it how it looks. I still can't believe I got a Bentley. I mean, this car is sick, isn't it? Now I need to find where to connect the starlights cable, and I'm thinking actually to use a fuse box, but this is gonna be way too complicated to actually reach it. So I need to find a cable inside that I can actually use to connect the starlights. Right, so the wire I'm gonna be using is actually gonna be from the cigarette lighter, because it's just gonna be the easiest to access without stripping all the car apart, which already done, kinda. Right, so we got one positive and negative cable, nothing special at all. Right, everything is now connected, but I'm not gonna show you yet. I want to tell you about what I found in the car. I found a micro SD card, so I'm just wondering what's inside of it. Right, are you ready to see my starlights that I bought from Temu? Check this out. Look at that beauty. How cool it looks. And the best part is I can actually control it with my phone. So I can change the colors if I like when it connects. Oh yeah, it's connected. So I can change the colors, or I can even turn on like let's see, for example, flash. Obviously nobody gonna be driving around like this because it just looks ridiculous. But I mean, it's better to have than not to have, isn't it? Other thing that I can also do, I can adjust the twinkle. So let's, for example, turn on white. And also I can adjust the flicker itself. So if you see that, how it flickering now, if I'm changing, it's flickering a bit differently, and I can make it slower, or I can make it faster. Also meteors, I can change them. So they're like going all around everywhere. Party time. Everything in this car so far comes up very nice. I got a very nice screen from the old car. I got a nice starlights and not soggy roof lining from Temu. Not sponsor it, but I wish. So also after I charge the battery, car is actually now starts and drives very nicely. But come on, look at this. It looks so great. I mean, I'm just completely in love how it turned up. It's so actually nice and cozy now. Feeling like home. And if I will take out the key, everything is pitch black. Turning on the ignition. Oh man, so I will need to change the colors every single time. Oh god damn it. Looks like I will need to change the colors every single time when I'm gonna turn on the ignition, or I can actually dig into the app and check it if there's any information like memory or something else, because obviously I do not want to drive the car in the lights like this. Next thing, I want to check if I can revive the old foggy headlights. Because, let's be honest, they do not look great. I'm not even too sure if I actually have showed you them. So this is the one of the headlights. It's yellow, and this is other headlight. It's not yellow. So I'm gonna try to polish them off with, where is it? Turtle wax headlight cleaner. And see if it's actually gonna work. If it will, happy days.
I got the drill, the polishing pad, and honestly you can already see the difference it's making. At first it's just dully, hazy mess, but as soon as the pad hits, the haze starts disappearing and clarity comes back.
What can I say? That's a massive difference. I mean, look at that, how cool and clean now it actually looks. Not foggy like it was before. Right, for comparing, this is the not yellow headlight, but it looks pretty much exactly the same as it looked before, and this is after like 2 minutes of polishing. So now I just need to do exactly same procedure onto this headlight as well.
Now we're doing exactly same thing to the other headlight. Drill, polish pad, and slowly but surely the difference already obvious. Just like the first one, it's a little nerve-wracking. One wrong move and you can actually burn the plastic. But the payoff is instant. The dull, hazy mess is turning crystal clear.
So the headlights actually look pretty good. Just I think I will need to separate this. I mean, I take out the plastic cover because there is something here which is, doesn't look very nice. Also, the inside of the headlight over there, it's rusted a bit. So I will need to take it out and fix it. But apart that, it looks pretty damn good. So finally everything with the interior is now sorted. I just need to deep clean it, the interior itself. Probably will try to clean it with a steam or something, because every single time when I'm trying to clean it, it just appears again. So it needs to be detailed very well. Also, the headlights are finally restored. I'm pretty happy how they actually look. I still cannot put them into the car because I need to take the glass out and clean it from inside, because obviously that doesn't look great, that this headlight in here. So if you want to be a part of the community, I'm gonna leave the link of the PayPal down below in the description. You can drop me £1 and I'm gonna write your name on it, or either any words, just not a swear word. It could be your company as well. I mean, it's free advertising, isn't it? Because I'm all the time standing next to this post. And we got a lot of place to fill in. Oh, also I forgot to mention, not too sure if I'm gonna upload next weekend because it's a Christmas time and I'm pretty busy with work, as obviously YouTube is not my full-time job, which I really wish to. So I'm not too sure if I'm gonna have a time to get into the garage next to the Bentley, and also I need to sell my Jeep to gather the funds because I'm still missing about £1,500 to complete everything. So the total of the car is gonna be about 6 grand after the repair. It's not bad. It's not bad. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really enjoying making those videos for you guys. So don't forget to click that subscribe button and leave the comment. And don't forget about your YouTube community post if you want to be a part of it. Just saying. Bye. This looks so nice.